morning, fellow Ambazonians at home and abroad. This is Capo Daniel Lukong, Sense Pass King, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the anti-kidnapping czar. At the camp for today for number 22 day for the month of May 2021 with revolutionary greetings, liberation greetings across our national territory and abroad. Would want for first thank and congratulate the Ambazonian people for staying at home in a peaceful demonstration through Ghost Town to show the international community say they want nothing to do with La Republique du Cameroon. We want court food with La Republique du Cameroon. We want separation and outright independence of our territory. We want for equally thank the Ambazonia Defense Forces and all our sister forces throughout our national territory for actively participating for the lockdown on 20th May, the day of national resistance against Cameroon rule in the British Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia. But first, would want send a particular message for the people for the capital city, for the Savannah State, Bamenda. For all my country people them, all our country people them for Bamenda, make una hear fine. Something the way it go for town, some phenomenon where it cause a lot of fear for the heart of our people them, where they call them say calling. This one now when people them when they for prison for upstation, they take their telephone, someone where they do them by themselves, where they don't get experience and inspiration. So one way we start when I an operation where the Cameroon Secret Service they be start them for instead of prison for the use people the way they don't catch them where they for waiting trial with the promise say they go lessen their sentence. Make them begin intimidate our people them with the hope say our people then go start hate Ambazonian liberation movement. This phenomenon where they call and say calling. Now one way prisoner they take phone. It be start say military people them. They can't give them name for key people them for quarter. Like quarter head, prominent business people, pastors, religious leaders, and so on, including visitors and where they don't come for inside town, maybe from Douala, Yaoundé, and bush followers them. After they don't give them, provide these prisoners them, this number, they go call those people them. They intimidate them, say me then give money, or they go can't catch them for day. This calling, it don't go out of hand. Now prisoner they do them by themselves. And even for inside quarter, common thief people them, they don't begin use phone to for house, they do calling. The Ambazonia Defense Forces, it don't be the number one victim for this scam and criminal gangs, this cartel where they intimidate our people them call through telephone call. The number one victim for this scheme, now Cross and Die, one of our highly respected commanders them for inside Bamenda, for Tanka. Ibidam Bisute would decide for reshuffle, change things them for day, but still they use this name for this commander and this general for frightening our people them because they know so when they hear a name they go fear. Calling for use ADF and Cross and Die in name for call people them. Idam too much it go pass. Would the one inform the general public for Bamenda say the Ambazonia Defense Forces Cross and Die they need to collect money for person for back. As from today, if any man he call you, say na Cross and Die, say na ADF for Tanka, say na Ambazonia Defense Forces for whichever corner for town, wanna take my phone number, wanna call me, this number, plus 852 6117 9924. The Ambazonia Defense Forces will need to take money for back and will need to hide our face for things that will do them. If our forces or general then ask any contribution, where they need to ask them through telephone, or if they get any contact with any civilian where concern money, they ask them, wanna contact me directly for verify whether not true Ambazonian fighter or an impostor. The Ambazonia Defense Forces get a very strict code of conduct where our soldiers then be under oath for respect them. They need the first call person for ask money. If they be ready want ask money for any man, they go come for they can take you. If to say it be we get a legitimate reason for can take you. But if some person he call you for Bamenda, say me you send money in the name of ADF, Ambazonia Defense Forces, for tanker, send across and die, they call you. Call me for WhatsApp or you send message for WhatsApp. Your information will be kept private and you will remain anonymous, and we'll go investigate. We'll go confirm for you if na indeed na ye or na our forces them. But I want for assure una say no be our modus operandis that. But in case it ever happen, contact we for verify. I go also take the advantage for send a strong message for the great state of Kupe Mani Nguba. All man picking them for Kupe Mani Nguba, for Nguti district, for all man way there for that side for a low bamboo. This warning it go for all people them for low ambo, for the 9 chiefs and where then day for day. We would get intelligence, say they don't call them, they can hold meeting for inside Melong. Say the one camp for camp hold meeting for encourage semi la Republic du Cameroon educational institution, the government school for they make it open. All foreign government schools in Ambazonia is banned. Would encourage private schools, mission schools, for transform themselves, for accept revolutionary standards them to become community schools. It is we get zero tolerance for La République du Cameroon so-called government schools within our national territory. Any teacher where you go step your foot for day, say you want camp can't teach, you do put yourself at risk. I the one send a particular warning for the chief for Etawan, when I the engineer all this Cameroon occupation, I be the main black leg for inside this area, where they stay for Douala. From Douala, you there for the engineer the destruction of your own village, the killing of your own people. Me then key all man make place for you, me you can shit down for La Republique. Me all the 9 chiefs them Bombo, me they understand say we don't kick out Cameroon military already for that area. They come na camp inside Amoka Kango. If we go allow chief we go shit down for inside Douala for foreign country, we don't decide for exile itself from the people that me them manipulate una. Any man will go enter for that meeting shall be arrested for conspiring with a foreign government to maintain a colonial system in Ambazonia. You shall be arrested for questioning appropriately. You are putting yourself in danger. Now the same chief in Taba, where he write letter for La Republic government, say they know they support the struggle. Me school start. They boy them, the family people they don't drop gun when are picking them a family. Take them scam La Republic, collect money, correct back rise them, can't give small one for inside village, carry the remaining one go sell them for inside Douala. Now blood money that. They do all these things them, they sell the future of our people for peanut. And we this generation, never again generation, we will not sit aside and watch La Republique kill and suppress our voices, the 99% for empower the small 1% voice where they want facilitate their continual exploitation and colonization of our territory. Make all the 9 chiefs of Ombo, make them be on notice. For another side, for the people them for Meta, are the one for Saloruna, for Teuna say, Ambazonia people stand Uruna for the suffer away, the people them for Mbome come off on Yen, and for Mbengui Center, where this one boy, where he did this splinter IG group, Harrison, he wake up, take microphone, he make audio, say me lock down a day for inside Bengui for 1 week, he go take and solve all problem for Bengui. Come on, wrong go hide. All when they suffer people they work with food come rifle, a lab come before they can take bike bensikin for go for Bamenda. Person then die for inside Bengui did no carry and go for mortuary. It don't make them frustrate people the way they begin to carry their die body for family member, then for go bury them for village. They no fit travel pass through Bengui road. They don't go a long way for inside ring road. Make what people learn sense. The reason be they will be shidon quiet for see how una go react, because we need to take primary responsibility after 4 years in this revolution. Now only institution them people the way when they see their face, they can talk before now they listen. We no go to follow people them blindly every day. The pain with this boy it don't cause him it too much. And since I send out the interview, we will confront more and more information that they come for exactly who way these people them be. Now the same corrupt people them way would the same way they don't thief money, take a legitimate struggle for turn them into their own piggy pot according to information where they don't contact with for tell we, this so-called Harrison, when a Bengui Pikin na Meta Pikin, if una get information about ye, a picture and more details about you, una send them for me, make we put the criminal where it don't cost our people them this amount of pain for nothing. When I know the forces them for Bengui, then get about four different forces them for the measure force for inside Bengui. Now the ADF forces will be led by General Dada. These are the forces on the ground. Commander Omega 1 day for day, Commander Shadow day for day, all them day for day, all the Peking and the other forces them where they know day for under ADF, then day for day, all man they do it best for fight. This boy, he talks been at the so-called Splinter IG group Harrison, now a criminal, we no get no command and control for any force for ground day. It can't worry our people them. Now the same person where they document them, where the treasurer for the Splinter IG group, if you release them, where it shows say this Harrison, they be use na ye, and that means say he joined with some people them for inside that group for withdraw over $94,000 say na money for a so-called LGA, money we end up for their private pocket. He no ever touch no soldier for the ground till today as I dey talk for now. He and Chris Anu, they never answer for that money where they move on for bank, disappear them. The Harrison, where they call it Harris, no be a fighter, na a criminal CPDM scammer, where they benefit from the misery of our people. The last donation where they send them for ye, $3,000. A group of people where they don't contact me, send me the document them right from Canada. They send me $3,000. He say one buy weapons and they don't carry that money, a whoop, disappear. From information from the soldier them for ground, then talk say na a traitor, na a kidnapper. He work with non-kidnapper where they call it say Buzero for instance Bengui. We get several girls them, a network of girls where they lure people them from Bamenda for kidnap them for ransom. We shall flush him out of Menomo. We shall flush him out of Menomo. We will not allow thieves, corrupt individuals, criminal gangs to use the name of Ambazonia to inflict untold pain on our people. And would call our people for make them make sure say make them begin listen for people where they didn't know their face, for instructions them from institutions them will be well formed, where they take into consideration their interests and make a clear balance between the policy the way they get for them and the benefit where the people that go get them in terms of their aspiration for become free and for be liberated from Cameroon colonization. I want to take this moment for thank the forces them for inside Bui for the wonderful job where they don't do and for save lives. Our forces they don't go into work for evacuate the entire village for inside Bui for save them away from La Republique du Cameroon the assault. They don't born one our Muslim woman where be mentally challenged for inside a house, and one other person where no be feel run, and one of the funds them the chief them for inside Bude where be she done for a house no say been a chief La Republique then they despair then kill them too. It show na so the fight na terrorism from La Republique du Cameroon. This one go beyond colonization, and exceptionally I want to thank the forces them for within the Bui warrior where they fight against La Republique. While we cannot give up our demand for justice for the 23 soldiers where they be slaughtered by particular squad for the Bui warriors, and those for the diaspora where they call for the killing of those boys, they shall be held accountable for the life of those boys who have been murdered in cold blood. Their wives and their family have not had the chance to say goodbye. Some of those boys were buried alive. But we cannot deny that the Bui warriors are also not fighting against La Republique. They must collaborate on the ground. We don't see area where one side they fight, the other side they finish fight with one camp, can't fight the other camp. No camp, they go for back up the other camp. We need collaboration on the ground, but we must guarantee our people that we will hunt those who kill our soldiers in cold blood for nothing. There shall be justice. But we must speak the truth. We can confirm the whole Ambazonia have seen the Bui warriors exchanging live bullet. And I want to congratulate that particular unit, Commander Network K2, with all the other small units the way they carry that name, where they use pops and they carry out their operations them So we recognize as Ambazonia Defense Forces, say they fight a common enemy, they fight against La Republique. We want to inform them, say there are elements in the diaspora that are using them and in Douala that have infiltrated them and manipulate them to be contrary to the goals of our independence, to use them to fight against the Ambazonia Defense Force in Bui, who are doing their best to fight against a common enemy. There are many instances where we get them where they show say La Republique that are infiltrate una ranks. When I remember the teacher where they come up for inside Kumbu, just normal teacher, get nothing to do with this struggle. Then set it up, made them catch it for inside Bamenda Day. La Republique actually deceive you for come for Bamenda, then catch it say that teacher na Amba. When I just CPDM, their scam, their problem, the way they get and they use them for settle score. There is a problem. The manipulation of una own picking them, for execute una own picking them, for turn una against our people them, and for carry out activity them, where you could paint the Ambazonian struggle a black, it be real, and una must face them. But una must partner and collaborate against a common enemy, and stop listening to people who wants you to turn your gun against your own brother. We must all work together. We are condemned as a people to fight against a common enemy and not to fight against ourselves. We are a diverse people. Thank God for diversity. This should not be a venue for the enemy to exploit. Unite, work together. You may not come together under one structure. It is not possible. But you must work against a common enemy and reject those who are poisoning your mind that your brothers are fighting for La Republique or your brothers are La Republique. We have to investigate every case to make sure that those people giving instructions are indeed working for us, for Ambazonia. We will continue to intensify our operations to reassure our population and to encourage them to continue the march for freedom. Monday Ghost Town is sacrosanct, and our people must continue to boycott La Republique du Cameroon Brasseries drinks, amongst many others. We continue for ban any political participation. Make no man no go turn up, say be administrator, representing our territory for La Republique du Cameroon administration. We ban all Cameroon government schools. If you're picking day for any Cameroon government school for inside Ambazonia territory, go move it for day. Put it for any community school, privately run or run by any religious institution. We call our youth throughout our national territory for rise up, pick up guns and defend our land. La Republique du Cameroon have been defeated. They have been pushed back by the wave of IED explosive. Modern technologies are on the way. We will continue to mobilize resources to make sure you have what it takes to defend yourself and to defend and liberate our homeland. May our war for liberation be short. May independence, freedom, civil liberty, democracy be in an independent Ambazonia forever. God bless you. Capo Daniel, signing out.